welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we have an unboxing video, and basically we're just going to be unboxing the Twice Ready to Be concert merch because they finally arrived after like many months. So yeah, let's go. Also, I just want to say, if you guys like hear car noises, I'm really sorry because I live like right next to the road. So yeah, let's go. Because I don't want to see like cards, like the photocard. And then top, okay, then great. This is everything I got. Okay, I will open these later, so I'm just gonna leave them aside. So I got 2 of the trading cards, the collect book, and I got Mina. This is the ID thing, like I don't know what it is, but I got Mina. Oh, this is so noisy. I got the disposable camera. So let's start with this because I feel like this camera is something that a lot of people bought, and I bought it myself because I wanted to use it in the concert. So yeah. Oh my god, okay, so this is just like a card, and then the gift set, like the card, like the whatever this is that came with it. So it comes in 3, and this is the first one. It is Nayeon Sana Mina, then Momo Jahyun Chui, and Jihyo Cheong and Jonghyun. I love them so much. I think they are so cute. Oh my god. And then this is the camera. It feels really good, and I can't wait to use this for the concert. Okay, let's just put them to the side. Next, we're gonna be unboxing the ID set, and again, I got Mina, so yeah. I thought it would be bigger. Like, I thought this was gonna be A4 size, but clearly it's not. It's so tiny. Okay. That's it. So it comes with like this keychain thing, and then inside you have the ID card, the IDs, and then a sticker sheet and some like information. So like maybe I'll decorate later, but let's open up the IDs. Oh my god, they are so cute. So this is the first one, and this is the second one. And you can like put it in this thing. Oh my god. slide it in here. Let's give it a try. Kind of scared. That is so cute. Oh my god. Look at that. I'll probably like hang this on my binder or something. That's really cute. And then you can use these stickers to like spell Mina's name on the card. Super cute. Next we have the collect book, and I think this is the one I'm most excited for because I am in need of a new collect book and I feel like I shouldn't have done that. Never mind. So it's the episode of Twice and it's so cute, and oh my god, the photo cards. Okay. So this is the collect book. It's actually really cute. Here are the cards. So we have like one concept photo, one selfie card, and one clear card. And they are so cute. I felt like the collect book was a little expensive. It was like $20, I think, or like a little bit more. So, but the photo cards and the book are really cute. So, yeah, I feel good. Lastly, we have the trading cards, and I'm gonna open them. I'm hoping for Mina, but I'll just trade like whatever I need to trade to get Mina. Okay, let's go. Okay, oh, okay. I feel like I should have told her that better. Okay, let's go. Let's start from the bottom. Oh my god, we got a group card. That is so cute. Okay. And then Che. Oh my god. Okay. I really like this one. It's like similar to the ID for the cards, so I hope I get more. Zahyun. Oh my god. Okay. And last one. Nayeon. Oh my god. Okay, wait, I'm really happy with this because this is like my favorite set of the trading cards. So, okay. I kind of don't want to tear this, but whatever. I'll get more at the concert, so it doesn't matter. Okay, please, Mina. Okay. Okay. Sana, oh my god, are you kidding me? Okay. Jonghyun, oh my god. Okay, unfortunately it's not this set, but it's okay. And then, oh what? 2-8. Okay, well that, and okay. So we did get 2 of the same card, but honestly I'm really happy because this Nayeon is so cute. Actually, I may just keep these. I should have ordered more. Okay, never mind. So we got 2 group cards. I'm actually really lucky, I feel. I'm sad that I didn't get any Mina, but like my Mina luck sucks, so that's that. But I did manage to get like some of these. This cute Jonghyun. And yeah, so honestly really happy with my pulls. Okay, so now like the stressful part is over. I mean, no, like the calm part is over because now it's the benefit, it's the spending benefit cards. Okay, I'm just hoping for a Mina because I feel like I would rather get a Mina than have to trade, you know what I mean? But I bought about $90 book, I think. So there's 3 cards in here. Okay. First one is Nyan. Oh my god. My Nyan luck is really good. And we have Dahyun. Girl, what is up with my Dahyun luck? I got like 2 of the same Dahyun cards, and now I got the benefit. Oh my god, please, Mina. Please, I need you, Mina. Let's kind of manifest. Jonghyun. Oh my god, okay. They are so cute. I love these cards. Like, my only complaint is that they look really identical to the Candy Bong photo cards. That they're in the exact same outfits, which is like, but hey, I mean, I love whatever I got, and I'm so excited to like store all these. Oh my god, okay. So this is a bit of everything that I got, and yeah, I'm so in love with all of these, and I can't wait to store these photo cards. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and just wanted to say thank you for all the support on my previous video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'll probably try to get the next storing video out as soon as I can, but currently I think it would take at least 2 weeks because your girl has not found cards. So yeah, it may take a while, but yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy it. Bye.